Let me do some more. Welcome back, my lovelies, to another video. Today we are testing out another hairstyling tool. I am very excited because it's under $100 and it looks very promising. Let's try some goods. I'm excited. We're first gonna start with a volumizing hair dryer. So this right here is the Revlon. It's a pro collection. It is their salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. So it's pretty much a brush that's also a hair dryer. That's pretty cool. I'm excited to try this out. And it does have multiple heat settings, which I approve of. Let's try to take it out of the box. That's huge. That's what she said. And yes, my hair is like 85% dry, just because I don't like drying my hair with a hair dryer when it's soaking wet or damp. I'm just applying some heat protectant, some blow dry cream by Briogeo. The Rosarco heat protectant is incredible. All right, let me quickly read the directions, see what they recommend, and we will start doing this. And the heat setting is right here, off and on button, and then you just have cool, low, and high. So it's kind of like twists on the bottom, which is pretty cool. But this is big, so it's already hard to handle.
Is that what she said again?
That's what she said. I'm sorry, I apologize, but they created this to set people up to say those jokes. All right, warning, danger, storage, caution. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna go on high, see how good this is. Okay. Let me do some more. Ooh, oh, that's hot. Ah, ooh, it got really hot on my necklace. Okay, I'm gonna go on low. Wow, that's really hot, like burn me. So this brush is really cool. I really like that it's not getting stuck in my hair, which is really nice because they have these combination bristles, which is really cool, and it's tangle-free, supposedly. All right, let me continue doing this, but I'm gonna go on low just because the high is a little too high. You can see where the vents are. That's where the air is coming out. I'm gonna finish my hair. Let's do this. I just want to show you guys the difference. I'm impressed. Look how bouncy and voluminous this is. It's shiny. And then you have this wonderful side. I mean, that looks incredible. I am so impressed with this. It's kind of like definitely the 2-in-1 where you don't need to use an extra brush with your hair dryer. So I do feel like it is saving time and energy because you do have to use basically your both hands if you're doing it on yourself. This, you do both hands, but you just kind of maneuver it with the other hand. This is great. I like this. I like it a lot. I do wish this was a little thinner though. Mom, you need this in your life. You might just get it in the mail from me because it's cool. Especially for fine hair and you really want that volume. That's nice. I honestly look like I just came home from a professional salon blowout. I mean, look at that hair. The way she moves. I don't know what's happening. But am I impressed? I am blown away. This is incredible and my hair feels so good. The pros for this hair dryer slash brush, I love it. That's the pro. It's functional. It has the brush attached to it. So when you blow dry your hair, it makes it super shiny, super smooth, and it's just very bouncy, voluminized. All of the above that I love and look forward to when I get a blowout at a salon. And I do love that it is very budget friendly. It is under $100, which is incredible. $59.99. You're welcome. And I picked it up at Target. And it's not sponsored. It's not sponsored.
Are you sure?
I am 100% sure.
I mean, you have the links. So does it mean you're sponsored?
No. No, it does not mean
I mean,
it's
they're
sponsored.
affiliate probably.
I do write if they are affiliate, and then I do write if they're not. I just, I gotta be straight up.
Well, I feel like you've been sponsored though.
I wish I was. Revlon, come at me, because this is awesome. No, but for reals, you guys, when a video is sponsored or I'm working with a brand, I am legally bound to tell you guys. It's the rules. I have to tell you if I'm sponsored, and plus, I have no shame. That's incredible that brands want to work with me. I am so blessed, and it's great. Obviously, I have something good going on here in this channel that they want to work with me, so I would not hide that from you. But Revlon, if you're watching this, hit your girl up. So there are only 2 cons. The handle is still a little bit too big. It's still a little bit uncomfortable. Obviously, if you have bigger hands than I do, you might actually enjoy this, but my hands are small. So I need something a little bit smaller. And then the actual heat, I can't control the temperature, but you do control the heat airflow. So if that makes sense, it's still a little too hot on the low heat airflow, if that makes sense. But it does have the cool button, which is great. I love that. I always finish up with that. And besides that, this is great. I love this. I don't say that very often with hair dryers. I honestly can't stop looking and touching my hair. I mean, come on. But it's definitely giving me Rachel vibes from Friends. Her iconic hairstyle. I'm not mad. I like this. All right, you guys, what can I say? I love this product. Revlon definitely blew me away. You guys all need one in your life also. You're welcome. Thank you for watching this awesome review. That was not a fail. I'm so happy. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you all very much. Bye.
I like it.